Hello everyone. Today's video, I want to give you a firmly update about our strategy, the Smart DCA Profit Hunter. This is a strategy I have developed in the last half a year, which gives you significantly improvements to create your own strategy on TradingView, backtest any coins, and you can connect to 3Commerce and all other exchanges directly. So this strategy I've been working for, you will find it on our website, Munich-Ai.com. So therefore, in this website, you also have the possibility, contact us, book a session with us. We will set up a bot. We will set up helping you setting up the strategy. And of course, if you want to use the strategy and other indicators, you can join like the Elite Traders Club. In this club, we will also have sessions together. I will have with you one session to set up everything and configure, right? And give you the first introduction in this strategy. So here on the website, you can book it, and therefore looking forward to hearing from you. But let's change to the video today. So in the video, we will switch over to TradingView because the strategy is on TradingView. And TradingView, if you join the Elite Traders Club, I will give you access to the Pine script. Yeah, and this Pine script then you can use if you click on indicators and invite only, and then you choose the strategy. You will also get other indicators. In my last videos, I always introduce the strategy, also like talk about improvements. And today I also want to give you 2 updates I have implemented it in the strategy. So now you can see we have created a strategy which is running right now, and this is a quite successful strategy. It has a lot of safety orders, but it's basically never failing. Yeah, this is a strategy you can use in all market conditions, and it makes really, really good profits. This strategy I've also running with a coin on leverage, so therefore it is for me never failing due to the backtest. Of course, we never know what happens in the future, but it makes really good gains. And if you want to set up the strategy, come to our Discord. You will find the Discord in the subscription of the video. In the description, or you go to our website, and on the website you just click here. Yeah, there you can join directly the Discord. Also, if you're in the Traders Club, I will help you to set it up. So, but today's video, I want to talk about 2 updates I have made like the Profit Hunter. So the first update, which is directly for the people who work already with it, when they open the strategies, they will see it directly. Yeah, also with external indicators and safety order indicators, like the safety orders including indicators, you will have now a graphic background where you see where is the next safety order levels, the bottom lines here. And the green one is the profit lines. So this was not before included in the strategy for external indicators, only for the percentage raise. And now we have it on both. If we zoom out, we see a lot of trades, and now if you scroll through, everything is really smooth and really, really fast because the code is much more efficient. If I compare it, I turn it off now and open the old previous version of the Profit Hunter, and if I now zoom out, you will see how everything is stuck and really, really slow, and it's not really fun and enjoyable to work with it, only if you scroll in and being much more on seeing lower or less candles and less trades. But as soon as you zoom out and see a lot of trades, then the strategy gets really, really slow. Also a lot of different graphics and adjustments I've made. So therefore, let's skip it and throw it away. We only use the new version now, which is much more faster. So what is the other updates are about? So at first, when we open the strategy, you will directly see it. We have our base configuration here for the 3 DCA strategy settings, like the basic settings, base order size, safety order size, and then price deviation, volume scale, step sale, all we know. And then we get a divided parts here. First, we have the sell options. So everything which is take a profit and selling, you will find here. So therefore, we only have now take profit. Before we had a minimum take profit, because when we use external indicators, we need a minimum profit and then waiting for the external indicator to hit. auto trigger, and now this is only one value. Yeah, so it's both the same. It says take profit in percentage and minimum value with sell conditions. So this is a value which works for both. If you have like here in the next field take profit, then it uses a 1.5 directly. So as we have it now, yeah, check if I put it on 4, you see the green line is going up because we're having a bigger take profit. Or if we put it back to 1.5, then we use a 1.5. So, and if we use then like the sell indicator, I have non-configured now, I will do in a bit, then you will also see it is also working like we wait for the minimum take profit and then hit. So we leave it on sell indicator because we come into the next new thing on sell indicators. I was announcing already in Discord that I had a really great idea about trailing take profit. I got information of the users, they want to have trailing stop loss, but I want to make it a bit more clever and not having like the standard trailing stop loss. We use indicator as a trailing stop loss. So therefore, let's quickly switch over to the RSI indicator. I give you an example how it's used. So normally if you have the RSI, yeah, which is like the standard value, let me show you only on one line here, you will see there's like this blue dots, which are the signals to buy or to sell or something, yeah, which you configure in the Munich-Ai indicator. So, and what my idea was, okay, when I go up and there's a sell, it's not only the case that we go, here's a green line, which is the 70 line. It's not only the case that we're going above the line and then go down because we're crossing down, for example, at a sell trigger on 70. Sometimes we're taking profit when we have reached the minimum take profit. Let me check where like little scalps, for example, maybe like here, we're going up. Yeah, we're hitting already the 1.5% because we are up on the green zone, but then we're not even hitting the 70. We're hitting like, let's say 60 value, yeah, and therefore crossing down again. So what if we are in plus already, but we want to sell earlier and not waiting for the coin pushing really hard up? So what if we use, just like in the RSI, three trigger zones? So therefore we can activate the lengths of 14 and 50 saying crossing down. Then we activate 14 and 60 and crossing down. And then we use 14 and 17 and crossing down. 70, sorry. And therefore we are having, if we activate everything, their lines are over each other, so you only see the dots. So we're having like all the zones triggered here, here, here. So here's 50, here's 60, and here's 70. It's all on the candle close because it's a little bit below. So, and therefore you have 3 different trigger zones. So maybe we're going up, only hitting like the 60 and selling when we get this trigger signal here. Or we are going up, we are plus, selling here with the 50. Or we're going all the way up, making a big pump, and then we sell here around. So this is a really nice feature. You can now implement, and in the Profit Hunter, you go on the Profit Hunter and the settings and choose sell indicators. First, you need to switch on the sell indicator, and then you say, yes, I want to use 3 trigger signals. And then we use, for the first one, the first signal we just configured, for the second one, the second one we configured, and for the third one, the third signal. Yeah. So, and then it's really, really important. Otherwise, it will tell you no deal finished, that we choose like between all 3 signals, like an OR configuration, because we don't want to trigger them all at the same time, which is not possible. We need an OR. So either this, either this, either this. And then we get the correct configuration. We're pressing OK. And then you will see, okay, here's a long way down. But once we're having all like these little scalps, which are above 1.5 take profit and then hitting like 50, 60 or 70 down, yeah, then we're taking the profit directly. And this gives us an all time when we are in profit and have a little scalping ups directly the sell signal, which is really, really nice and efficient. Yeah. So here's a sideways move. We're not hitting the take profit, but here again, profit, profit, profit. Even it's just a little going upwards because upside. But here and here, there was never hit it like the 70, the 60 signals. So therefore, but we are in plus because we're hitting like the 1.5%. So we even sell. So because nobody knows what's happening after that, it could break down or anything like that. So therefore, always like this little scalps and then taking profit. And also, let me check if we do see a good pump, for example, which is here. This should be like a 70 signal. Yes, you see. We take in the percentage calculator. We have made 1.5%, and then it's going upwards to the 70 level overall, and then crossing down. So we're hitting like around, instead of 1.5%, we're hitting 8%. And this is real efficiency. This is a really, really nice function I do like. And yeah, you can just use it with the Profit Hunter. And now you would maybe think, okay, that's pretty nice that I can use the RSI for this. But in the videos before, you told me you can also use the base order and the safety order for RSI. What is now if I use these sell indicators only with the RSI, then all the three signals are blocked? Yes, that it's true, but it's also possible you open again the other RSI a second time, see, and then you can configure it for the safety orders. Let's say we open like the base order, really, conservative, crossing up for the base signal, 1, and then the safety orders, let's say we're using lower, and 7 and 25, then we press OK. So the first one is for the base, the second one is for the safety. And now we go in the Profit Hunter, we go to the base order, changing it from as soon as possible to indicator, say yes, and then we got it 2 times. The first one is the one we have just set it up, and the second one, there's a second RSI signal. We use this. Then we go to percentage for the safety indicators and also choose yes. And we choose like the second RSI signal because we configured the second one for the safety orders. And boom, you get like the safety order signals based on the RSI levels 7 and 25 and the cells even on the scalping zones. Yeah, so this looks to me like a really, really nice and also safe strategy because yeah, we made like the safety signals and the entrances on RSI instead of as soon as possible. You're not having much trades, of course, and the profit goes down, but it's even possible. Yeah, this is what I just want to show you. So you have all the possibilities to creating this strategy you want. And let me tell you, when you use like, let's go back to base and safety order as soon as possible. And when you use like these indicators instead of like as soon as possible, only take profit, let's compare the values. Let's compare the efficiency of the profits in the strategy. So for example, here now, if we use the if we're not using the indicator, only taking the 1.5% always without RSI selling, yeah, so this is 3-way RSI selling, we have a profit in this case of 49% in the back testing history. And if we change it to the sell indicator, instead of 49, now we have a profit of 82. And this is doubling, and this is crazy. So therefore, we choose like the RSI sell indicator with the 3 different options. Yeah. So yes, I really hope you like this new function in the Profit Hunter. And just to inform you, all like the sell indicators, the base indicators, and the safety order indicators, they're all the same. Yeah, they're built all the same. So once you understanding one, you understand them all, how they've been used. And yeah, you can configure almost every strategy. The next thing, just really quick, I want to explain, which will coming up soon, just like in a couple of days. We will be able to use even, let's say for the EMA, an uptrend settings. So once we have a short and a length, and let's say we took it on a daily, on the 1 hour, and then we have here, we'll be having an option, not only crossing up, crossing down. We will have the option uptrend and downtrend. So this means as soon as we are in an uptrend from the EMAs, let's put it a little bit higher that it will be more visible. The strategy will only buy if we are seeing from the coin an uptrend, yeah, once the yellow line is above the red line. So this gives us a more clear information. So how we are currently from the trend, yeah. So if the trend is more bullish or more bearish. Yeah. So this will be another option. I will probably explain in the next video. But for now, I think, and I really hope you like this new feature with the RSI sell. So if you like it, also just come to our Discord, as I said. Please join our group on Discord. And once you also want to set up your first trading bot, you don't need to understand all the things in the strategies. You can just go to our website and here go to set up my first trading bot. If you go here on the start website and then my first trading bot, and then just there's like a booking for individual DCA settings. We can set up you a bot which will trade like 24/7, just like easy settings, the long-term settings, not so special and advanced like the Pine script I'm just showing, but here we will set you up really the best settings we found out for you in long term. So hope you liked the video. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a nice evening and bye bye.